Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without breaking a sweat. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On the left, we have the Glorel drone with 4K camera RC quadcopter, and on the right, the TizzyToy brushless motor drone. It's a battle of the skies, folks. Let's see which one takes off and which one just crashes and burns. All right, let's kick things off with the price category. Glorel's coming in hot at $179, while TizzyToy is waving from the bargain bin at just $99. If your wallet's feeling a bit light, TizzyToy might be your new best friend. But hey, sometimes you get what you pay for, right? Let's see if that holds true here. Lights, camera, action. Both of these drones boast 4K cameras, but Glorel's got that 110 degrees wide angle with a 90 degrees adjustable lens. Perfect for capturing your epic adventures, or just spying on your neighbors. TizzyToy, on the other hand, has a 120 degrees manually adjustable lens. That extra 10 degrees could mean the difference between catching a stunning sunset or just another boring rooftop. Ladies and gentlemen, please fasten your seatbelts. Glorel is offering some serious in-flight entertainment with GPS follow, route planning, and fly around 360 degrees. It's like having a personal pilot who also happens to be your best friend. Meanwhile, TizzyToy's got high-speed rotation, circle fly, and even gesture control. That's right, you can wave at it like a wizard, and it'll do your bidding. Harry Potter, eat your heart out. Safety first, folks. Glorel's got advanced flight control systems, GPS tech, and return-to-home functionality. It's like the overprotective parent of drones, always bringing you back home safe and sound. TizzyToy, though, has an electronic fence function and a low battery warning. It's like having a drone that's part dog. It knows its boundaries, and when it's time to come home for dinner. On the runway, we have Glorel strutting its compact and foldable design, perfect for travel and outdoor adventures. TizzyToy, not to be outdone, comes with a carrying case and extra spare fan blades. It's the Swiss Army knife of drones, ready for anything, anywhere. Plus, it's got that robust exterior painting. No plastic feel here, folks. Time to take flight. Glorel gives you up to 46 minutes of airtime with its 2 batteries. That's almost an entire episode of your favorite TV show. TizzyToy isn't far behind with 40 minutes. So whether you're filming your epic journey or just annoying your cat, both drones have you covered. Last but not least, let's talk user experience. Glorel's got app-controlled, altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, and more. It's like a flying smartphone. Super smart and intuitive. TizzyToy also brings its A-game with detailed tutorials and 24-hour customer service. It's like having a drone that comes with its own personal trainer. Reviewers are quite pleased with both drones, but each has its strengths. Glorel is praised for its ease of use, stability, and high-quality camera, making it a solid choice for both beginners and professionals. TizzyToy wins points for affordability, ease of use, and thoughtful extras like spare parts and tutorials, though some reviewers have had issues with customer support. So there you have it, smart shoppers. Glorel drone with 4K camera RC quadcopter versus TizzyToy brushless motor drone. Both have their highs and lows, just like your Aunt Karen's Facebook posts. Whether you're looking for high-end features or a budget-friendly companion, the choice is yours. Drop a comment below and let us know which one you're leaning towards. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our latest and greatest comparisons. Until next time, fly high and buy smart. Product links are in the description.